Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's where you hang up your clothes and then take them back out to get ready in the morning. With this Ikea small bedroom ideas, you can do everything you need to in yours and still leave room for plenty of sleep. 1. A small bedroom where vertical storage matters. Make use of your walls when the storage opportunities are few. This helps to create an uncluttered and stylish look in a small home. And with Vitval Loft Bed, you can free up even more precious floor space. Shut out the world for a while, or hide an unmade bed with the help of a curtain by your loft bed. Open shelves next to your loft bed offer close-at-hand storage for your bedspread and decorative cushions when it's time to sleep. 2. Dream big in this affordable bedroom. Clean lines, stylish details, and cool gray shades. Here's how to create an urban chic bedroom where lots of love and space is dedicated to your thought-out wardrobe. Read before you go to sleep. It helps you unwind after a hectic day. Dust-free storage is always a good idea, especially when it's smartly designed too. 3. Small bedroom with luxury details. A big bed frame in a small bedroom. Here's how to create a relaxing, yet fashionable feel with lots of practical storage solutions. Store in style. Romskog bed storage boxes fit perfectly under your Malm bed frame. 4. Tasteful, stylish, and storage-friendly, this bedroom has it all. Combine an open closet, smart storage, trendy fabrics, and brass-colored details to achieve a coordinated bedroom with a fashionable twist. Remove the doors off your built-in closet and show off your color-coordinated wardrobe. Spacious storage boxes under your bed are perfect for a coordinated, non-cluttered look in the bedroom. 5. A lofty bedroom bunk. Every centimeter of vertical wall space makes a difference. Go for a loft bed, place a sofa underneath, and presto, you've got a living room and a bedroom. 6. Beautiful storage completes the bedroom look. Bring in nature into your home with the help of different bamboo furniture that gives your bedroom a warm and welcoming atmosphere while offering lots of storage opportunities for your clothes, books, work, and hobbies. Nordly chest of drawers and Nordkisa bench is a perfect match, both in style and in height, and together they offer clothes storage and a place to sit when getting dressed. 7. There's always room for a beautiful bedroom in a living room. It might sound impossible, but we beg to differ. Here's how to create a private, functional, and good-looking bedroom in a one-bedroom apartment. Use Plaza bed frame as a room divider. A headboard on one side, lots of storage, and a wardrobe on the other. 8. 24-hour living in a small studio. Here's a less conventional, yet functional, way to store all your clothes and organize your living space in a one-room apartment. An open wardrobe, rollable trolleys, flexible beds, you'll definitely need them in small spaces. 9. A stylish bedroom from all angles. Solid wood with rustic charm. It's the perfect bed frame if you want to create a homely atmosphere in your bedroom. Pair it with soft sheets, sheer curtains, and an open wardrobe solution to create a comfortable place to sleep just the way you like it. 10. Organize around the odd architecture in a small bedroom. Most of us want to change the mood of our bedrooms or optimize our storage space, but don't know where to begin, especially when the architecture in our home is unique. Flexible storage systems like Plaza and U-Taker beds can help give your room another dimension. 11. The multitasking bedroom with a personalized touch. A creative corner, a walk-in closet, and a breakfast area. Discover how a bedroom can be so much more than only a bedroom and feel so calm and relaxing at the same time. 12. A colorful and flexible room. A sublet apartment often comes with strict rules, but it can be furnished to look like anything except strict. A living room during the day, a bedroom during the night.